Okay, guys, now we're going to move over to the other table. I want you each to take something with you, and we're going to classify it over here as either fossil or non-fossil. Eventually, we'll have everything over there. So take something with you, and let's go over here. Okay, you got non-fossils are going to be put over here, fossils over here. So
in Level 2 co-teaching, students can be grouped for instruction that targets specific learning needs and styles.
So why don't you grab something from here and put it in the place where you think it should go?
Group 2 benefits from a series of hands-on activities with fossils.
Oh, wrong side. That's just a plain old shell. Tricked you on that one, huh?
While Groups 1, 3, and 4 are combined for note-taking.
The next era is a Paleozoic. First time period is a Permian. 290 million years ago to 245 million years ago.
These students are responsible for recording all of the information from the chart.
The geological timescale represents evolutionary time. It shows how evolution took place throughout history.
When Group 2 switches to note-taking, they work with material on the same concepts, but in a simpler format. Then, follow up with a word sort to help solidify the concepts they've been working with.
We have 4 different eras. There are time periods within each era. Some eras have 5 time periods. There's one of the eras up here that have no time periods. The yellow cards represent the different eras. The white cards represent the time periods within the eras. We use a lot of hands-on material. Sometimes we'll reteach the lesson twice. She'll teach one lesson maybe by an overhead using a visual or through a PowerPoint lesson, whereas later on in the class, I'll do hands-on where students are moving things around.
Line them up so you can see them, Kyle.
So to get more of a feel for what they're doing. Some students might learn by seeing something, others might learn by doing something, so we break it up a little.
What about convergent evolution? Convergent evolution. First, we'll think about the word convergent. With co-teaching, a lot of the problems are solved. I can't say all of them, but some of them. We can break the class into groups according to level, or we can break them apart according to needs, or we can break them apart according to who owes work and who doesn't. And I can take one group aside and get them caught up, or Dennis can take a group aside and go ahead.
So how are life forms affected? Prokaryotic cells changed into eukaryotic cells? Did that make any sense?
Or we can break the group up into 3 things and do 3 separate activities and then have the kids rotate so everybody gets to do all 3. It takes a lot of prep work, but it really works.